morning, everybody. My name is Susana Viáfara Manyoma. Today we are going to start with a topic called connect speech. Let's start his tutorial. Let's go. Okay guys, we are going to define what is connect speech. Connect speech is the way one connects sounds or words in a language. In connect speech, sounds can be combined to form new sounds. Sounds can be deleted or sounds can be added. Also, change in reading can occur, that is, if independent words are certain reading, it can change when it is connected to another word. Is definition the connect speech. Okay guys, these are the rules of connect speech to connect sounds in English. Carenation is of the ways speakers join words together. In the carenation, a consonant sound of the sound of the words joins with a vowel sound at the beginning of the word, of the next word. The first sample, the rules, is carenation. Okay guys, the first rules is examples. The first sample is pick it up. The correct form is pick her up. The second sample is get up. The correct form is get up. The third sample is an orange. Correct is an orange. An orange. The fourth sample is switch it off. The fourth current is switch her off. The next example is I don't want to listen to his music. Could you switch her off, please? Okay guys, the connect speech instructions, the letters are J, W, or R. This is when we other add-on sounds to link two words. The first words end with a vowel sound, in the next word start with a vowel sound. Examples, including J. I agree. The correct form is they are here. Including W. I want to eat. The correct form is I want to. The correct form is please do it. Including R. Media are to blame. The correct form is media are to blame. Order. Okay guys, we are continue the topic connect speech elisions. Elision is the three rules. What is elision? With a consonant, it is T and D, which are most commonly elided, especially when they appear in a consonant cluster. For example, I can use T and D, omit T and D in the words. For example, Christmas, sandwich, they take, most common is the sample, the elisions. Another example, the same process can occur across word binaries. For example, must be, the first three, you and me. Another example is stop for lunch. Okay guys, let's talk about the last assimilation rules. Connect speech assimilations. What is definitions? Assimilation means two sounds blend together, forming a new sound altogether. This often happens with T and J, which make Z, and with D and J, which make Z. For example, don't you, don't you, don't you, won't you, meet you, meet you, did you, would you. Okay, thank you very much for Okay guys, finish the tutorial. You can practice. The question is, what is the pronunciation of this word and what role does it apply? You can practice, you can answer in your house. Thank you very much for your attention.